I'll go to the render settings. I've taken override material.
Okay.
Now shall I render?
Yes, yes. Just take a test render.
I think something to do with the HDRI, sir.
Yes, it should not come white, and it's too reflective.
The reflection I given more, I think. I just reduce the
It will
reflection.
not that reflective.
So somewhere this much.
Yes, yes, yes. Enough, enough. And glossiness give zero point 0.8. Uh, how much is the glossiness? Just see.
It's 1.
0.8.
Point
0.8,
8.
0.7. Yes.
Okay, sir. I've taken little bit of exposure to
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Nice.
curves. I have given little bit of curve. Okay.
Okay.
And I was just trying to give the white balance. Since it's a day, I have to take warmer side, right?
Warmer. Yes. Little bit warmer.
Okay.
A little bit of exposure is needed.
Okay.
What are the lights currently on? Just see, is there only SDRI or any other light you have used?
No, sir. Only
Wait,
HDRI.
wait, wait. First stop and save this on history. First stop.
Okay.
Okay, it's done. Stop this. Save on
I
history.
will done.
Okay, now see
I'll go to the like only HDRI.
SDRI is one.
Yes.
Okay,
Only done.
and
Okay.
there is no SDRI map you have used. Okay, can I see the
Oh,
SDRI?
yes.
Just
Oh,
select the SDRI.
this is a map I've used it, sir. Same.
Select the light. Can you select the light? SDRI dome light.
Dome light, sir. One second.
Just select the dome light. Okay,
Yes, sir.
texture is there.
Okay. Texture is
Okay,
there.
okay. Go to perspective view. Let me see what is behind the this window. Is there anything? Any object is there?
Oh, this
Just
one.
remove this. Yeah, just remove that. Right.
Because of that, right. Right.
It's getting no darker. Now don't render everything.
Okay.
You a patch render.
Be a patch render.
You could have taken a patch render.
Should I do yes, sir? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. SDRI should be visible because your
Does it require any rotation or something like that, or
S
should I
no no
be?
SDRI should be visible. It is not visible over here. Let me try on my file. Just stop and just see
Fine.
my max file.
Okay, sir.
See what happened. Right now I will just open my light lister. You can see my this thing, no, computer screen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see.
Only one SDR light is there. Dome. I
Correct.
gave a
Okay.
multiply of 5. Okay. I will
Okay.
check if it is okay. Fine. Otherwise I will modify that.
Okay.
Only one light is there, and I will cross check on this property. What are there? 5 there is texture. I will just cross check the texture. Sometime what happened, it shows but it may be lost or texture is missing, so I will just cross check it,
Okay.
double click and reload, try 2-3 times.
Okay.
If texture is missing, it will turn out black, it will not
Okay.
reload. It's reloaded, that means texture is there. I have
Okay.
no worry about the SDRI. All right,
Okay.
and I'll go to render setting. Here I will not do much, only size I will see, and over here I will see overhead material is there, test material, that is good. Alright, let's take a test render. I will go to camera, press C. This is my camera view.
Okay.
Okay, I will open my frame buffer and just I will take a test render. open this frame buffer window, take a
Okay.
test render from here.
Okay.
See, I can see my SDRI map is there, no?
Okay. Correct.
But in your case, this is not visible. I don't know why it is not
Maybe
visible.
maybe I have to rotate a bit, I think.
Yes, try to do that. And
Okay.
see, for in my case, whenever you render, just stop and for a minute pause and see what is missing over there.
Fine.
What is required. For me, exposure is very much high.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not worried about SDR because I have separate that curve shape over here that will cover up the background scene. But
Okay.
then also I will not make it very high brightness because
Okay.
I am going to use my other light like Venus sun will be coming over there. Alright,
Okay.
that will be the second important light source.
Oh,
So
okay.
for now I will try to reduce my exposure value.
Okay.
Let it be a little darker, it's okay. Because my second light, important light, that Venus sun is going to come. So
Okay.
there should not be anything burning. I will just
Okay.
cross check. The first light always try to focus on spreading light everywhere, just as I told, every corner, possible corner, not like this. Every possible
Okay.
corner, there may be some problem on the mesh, but it's okay. I'm
Okay.
not worried about that. Light should be spread properly.
Okay.
Try to get this kind of effect. The
Okay.
light source, the area from where light will come, that will be very much illuminated, and gradually light should decrease.
Okay.
There should be proper contrast. Just focus on contrast, nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
Our
Okay.
second important light, that is Venus sun, we will going to use, and
Okay.
that will be defining the proper illumination, exposure
Fine.
and brightness area. So
Fine,
for
sir.
me, this is enough.
Okay.
Okay, I will just save this. This is enough for me. This area is getting most of the lights, and other areas are more darker. See,
Fine.
you see over here, this is darker, this is darker. Top here is dark areas, no?
Okay.
This is giving me a complete balance,
Fine.
natural how light should be. So
Okay.
I am happy with this.
Fine. Sir.
So the first thing that you have to do is achieve this level.
Fine.
We'll go stage by stage. The first stage will be this.
Okay.
Try to work on your file. Try to work on your SDRI. If you are comfortable with this, use this, or if you have any other favorite SDRI, use that. Because I am using, because I am very comfortable with this SDRI.
Fine.
This
Sir.
always give me good result.
Okay.
So it's upon you.
Okay.
Place SDRI, change the dome light value multiplier, change the exposure values, and try to get this kind of effect.
Fine.
Okay? Try yourself, yes.
Now what I'll do is I'll give the one second. I will try to increase this multiplier now.
Yes, increase.
I'll multiply. This is on.
Yes. Yes.
I will reduce a bit. No, sir. No, exposure is too much. No.
Yes. Try to see the sofa and other areas. Lighting is proper now, but try to see the other areas. See which portion is getting exposure. Alright, it's good. Your furniture is hidden.
Not there. No. So I did. Sir. You can see behind this curtains.
Good. Now.
There is no overburn, no, sir. No.
It's done. It's coming proper.
It's coming proper. So I'll take one full render.
Yeah, take complete render. Yes. Always remember there should be some dark areas at the
Fine.
corner. That will make your scene
Fine.
look more realistic. If you
So
give
you're
light
talking.
everywhere, yeah, that shadow should be there.
This you're talking about this dark areas, right?
Yes, that should be
Yes.
there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
See, uh, we can control that on Photoshop. If it's coming out little bit brightness, we need to add. We will do in Photoshop. But right now, we'll try to. No, that's okay. Increase exposure.
Okay.
Little bit
Okay.
exposure.
So this is okay. Fine.
Yes. Yes. Stop this and
I'll
save
save
this.
on this.
Yes. Stop the render.
It's already done, sir.
No.
I have
can
to
see.
stop it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Stop button. Now it
okay.
is
Okay.
stop. Yes.
Okay.
All right. So
Now I'll
let's.
save it on this. Yes.
So you're comfortable with now SDRI is
Yes.
concept is clear, no?
Concept is clear now.
SDRI, yeah, complete.
Hmm.
All right. Let's go to our second important line, that is Viresan. See, if you
Fine,
are
sir.
doing a daytime, it's very important that there should be a hard shadow, because this this SDR light or any other light I have used, you will not get
Okay.
hard shadow.
Okay.
There will be diffuse shadow.
Okay. So we need a sun for that.
Yes, we need a sun or we need a direct light. Standard direct light is there that will give you a hard shadow of any object. That will
Fine,
look
sir.
more realistic. Alright, so
Fine.
let's. First, I will create on my file. Just
Okay.
have a look, and then you
Okay.
can continue that on your file.
Fine.
So I will come through perspective. I will go to my layer first and check which layer I am working right now. I will make sure it should be light and camera layer. Okay, all my lights should be on light and camera layer.
Fine.
Okay, so let's take V-Ray Sun. I will get somewhat like this. I will say no because I have SDRI, so I do not want V-Ray Sky. No.
Okay.
Okay, I did a mistake. Wait. I did a mistake. Sun should be over here and target should be over here. I did a mistake. I want little bit sunlight to hit my sofa over here.
Okay.
In this portion.
Fine.
Sun should be high and target should like this crossing over here. Okay. Light will enter my window and it will hit the sofa over here.
Fine.
That is my main concept. I will go to sun. Little bit of I have to change the modify. First of all, intensity is very high. I know I will take 0.3. Still it is high, but I will take 0.3 and then I will modify. Size multiplier and photon value. See, this size multiplier and this photon value.
Okay.
This will decide how hard the shadow will be. Have you discussed about this on the exterior?
Yes, sir.
We discussed, no?
We discussed about that. In one of the project, I was not getting the sharp shadows. That time you had told me you had to reduce the sun multiplier as well as the photon value.
So photon I will increase little bit. See, is the, you can say the gap is defined whether you get how much shadow, the high dark this extremely sharp shadow or soft shadow. So
the lesser the gap, it will be sharp shadow.
This is, see, the gap is lesser, the sharp shadow. The gap is bigger,
okay,
soft shadow. So
soft shadow, right.
I will little bit. I will this much. I will take. I take not very hard, not very soft. This much I was needed.
Okay.
This is done, and intensity is done. Okay. Let's see. Test render. Again, I will not take the complete test and complete render. I will take a patch render. Always take a patch render so that you can see what was before and what came after. Okay.
Okay.
So only this portion I will take. This portion. Test render. See, as I told you, it's too bright.
Too bright.
Yes. Because we are using a standard camera, so every light will be very bright. So we have to reduce. If I could have used V-Ray camera, then this was coming perfect.
Okay.
So here I have to use 0.01, 0.02, somewhat like that.
Okay.
I just use 0.01.
Okay.
0.01. Okay. Okay. Chalo. As of now, I am keeping this much only. You see the difference? I just stop my render.
Yes, sir.
There is more light added. There is proper shadow over here coming. You see?
Yeah.
There is brightness over there,
Okay.
and you see the light distribution over here. Just let me render completely. So I'm happy with the light intensity. That's only I have to
Okay.
check. I will render complete. See now.
Sir, in standard camera, there is no much of settings, right? It's only direct, just apply the camera, that's all. Huh?
Yes, yes, yes. And I'm more comfortable with the standard because on my previous work background also we are not allowed to use VREC cameras
Okay.
because that will like little bit of change they will make in your texture.
Okay.
And we used to this render product, no, FMCG products, soaps, shampoos, for so
Okay.
the logos, the green color and the yellow color should be exact as per their given measurements.
Okay.
So we have to use standard only,
So
and
standard will give proper color, right?
proper
Color,
exact as you the
proper
texture
color.
have exact same
And
100%.
this doesn't have that vertical tilt, right? It automatically take the vertical tilt.
Vertical till you could have used. That depends. That depends. If you are working too much, if you come on camera and you are
Okay.
using too much of distance adjusting the camera angle,
Okay.
that time you have to use vertical tint.
But
Right
there is no
now,
option, no, sir. I did not find that.
see, it is there. See, you have to go to create
Okay.
camera. One second, no. Wait, I tell you where it is. Modifier camera correction. See, this is there.
Okay.
On camera correction, you will find out tilt. You see the example over here, given over here.
Okay.
This will give you vertical tilt and extra things.
Okay.
We'll see
Fine.
that. We'll see that. No problem. Let's complete the lighting first.
Okay.
Let's complete this scenario. So just have a look. The light hitting my sofa and this area is properly illuminated, and
Okay.
gradually light is spreading.
Okay.
So just save this as well,
Okay.
and a little bit of comparison. You see the illumination. This was
Okay.
before the sunlight.
Now
This
with
is
the
after
sunlight.
the sunlight. You see,
Okay.
I make it my room little darker because I know I am going to use sunlight and that will be illuminating my room, and this is
Okay.
what I am getting.
Okay.
And I am not going to illuminate more. I will
Okay.
check with my texture and then I will decide whether I should illuminate more or not.
Fine, sir.
All right. Only
Okay.
now see. Excuse me. Now here's come my third light option. You see,
Okay.
here I am getting proper illumination.
Okay.
All of places getting, but you see the camera, the object which is near to my camera here, this like this one, this is a little bit darker over here.
Okay.
Okay, now this is flat, maybe a wall or just a design, so it's okay, it's work. But here I have plants, no, plants has a
Okay.
texture, so I
Okay.
have to put some light that will describe the texture properly.
Okay.
And so here now I have a provision so to create my third light. But right now
Okay.
we will see that later on. First
Okay.
create a sun,
Okay.
get this kind of effect, and then we will
Okay.
move further. This will be a second stage. Okay,
Fine, sir.
try.
Sir, in some cases, the living room has only one window. Okay.
Okay,
Now, in this case, we have about two windows. Okay.
okay.
Now, there is only one window. Then, what is the option left? So, how to get the lighting in?
See, if you talk about bathroom has no outside lights coming inside, no.
No, even the living room. Some cases, what happens?
So,
This window is not there. For example, okay.
huh.
There's a wall over here and only one window. Okay. Now,
Okay.
what is the option to get that light inside?
Then we have to take from interior lights. With the,
So,
though, so
then we should avoid doing daylight and give a proper evening light.
yes. No point of giving the daylight
Correct, sir. So
because
that is
it.
how we have to decide.
Yes.
Okay.
See, I will show you one of my work, one of my
Okay.
bathroom work. No point of giving daylight there. Just 1 second, no? Because many people ask that if there is no window or no source where I can show my exterior light or take help from the exterior sun or exterior plain
Okay.
light, we use plain lights also, no, on our
Okay.
windows.
Yes, yes.
So if that is the case, then how we illuminate our scene? So one of
That's
my
right.
work. See, this is the scene. There's
Okay.
no source of light could come inside, no?
Yes,
So
yes.
I have to use my
So,
interior light only.
okay.
So I cannot show daylight, no? How I show
Correct,
daylight
correct,
over
correct.
here?
No, that's what.
So
So
I
that
have,
depends. Yes, that depends on the like a particular plan, how it is. If it is a light source, we have to provide. Otherwise, just go and depend
yeah,
on the
of
interior light.
course,
That's
of
it.
course, of course, of course. If you have
Right.
openings, it will be very helpful.
Very
In this
helpful. Right.
kind of situation, little difficult, not very much, but little difficult. You have to work only with the interior lights,
Okay.
whatever light source is there,
Okay.
and that will be evening or night scene. You cannot show bright everything,
Okay.
no, like a sun.
Yes, yes.
It will be not like that.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Use sunlight. Yes.
Fine, sir. Thanks, sir. So before that, I have to go to the player and just to see I'm in lights,
Yeah.
uh, lights
Light
and
and
camera.
camera. Yes,
I've
yes.
selected that.
No, no, that is not selected. Just go once again. No, no, no. The just right side of your eye icon. No, no.
Oh, oh.
Yes, click there. No, no. On the
Yes, sir. Ah, yes.
yes. Now the
No.
layer is selected. Yes, yes.
Fine, sir. Right. So I will take his son now.
Hmm.
I am comfortable more taking here. I will take it from here. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
It's a Veera son, right? Right.
Yes, Veerasan.
As
Corona's.
of now, point three. Sir?
I'm just
Hello?
get one Corona render which I did. Corona Sun gives you more realistic result than Veerasan I have seen.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Depend upon the render settings and this thing
Correct.
render
Correct,
engine.
sir.
This also give you realistic look, give better
Okay.
result. But I found
Okay.
the Corona Sun you use for your exterior or thing, it will give more of a bluish
Correct.
proper
Okay.
tint. This sun will give little yellowish tint is comes. When you see on my
Okay.
work and you try to do it by yourself, you see little yellow tint will come.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, only the sun size and photon size you have to adjust a bit.
I'm doing that.
Little bit adjust photon and this size of the sun size multiply, yes, little bit increase the photon also. Yes,
It's enough,
nice,
sir?
nice, nice, enough, enough.
I will take a region tender, sir, no?
Yes, 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 too bright, no,
Too bright.
too bright, reduce, take 0.01. Yeah. Oh, point 0.1, I had took point 0.1, I think, take point 0.1.
Point
Just
one, sir?
yes, yes. Take point 1. Let me see how much I have taken. I think point. I also took point
Point
zero 0.01. Just
zero
see
one, sir.
point zero 0.01.
Zero
I
one,
think.
sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes. You took point zero one, I think so.
okay, 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 okay.
We'll
Fine,
check
fine.
once. See the results, sir, no?
Little bit illumination should be there.
A little more brightness I have to give.
Little more brightness. Yes.
So should I increase somewhere here in the brightness or just the sunlight itself?
Try to increase the sunlight because I want more light to entire room.
So what I'll
Point
do is, as
point
you said, 0.1 I'll take.
point 0.02. Try point 1. No. Reduce.
Too bright. So
Point
0.02.
point 0.02, 0.03. Try that.
Fine.
Hmm. 0.03 take. Hmm.
It's okay. Or should I take the sun, protect the sun?
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just saying a little bit of exposure. I was expecting. Can you take 0.04? How much you took? Just 0.03, no?
0.03, sir.
0.04. Make it 0.04. Yeah, much better. It's coming.
Okay.
Try to reduce from your exposure the highlight burn. There's a highlight burn option there.
Correct.
Try to control the exposure and highlight burn. Increase the exposure value a little bit. Okay, enough.
And the burn is okay, sir?
Burn is okay. Okay. It's fine. When we get now furniture, then it will look more proper. The burn. Right now it's perfect.
Okay. Okay. So you
But
want
complete render.
should I take?
Yeah. Complete
Yes.
render. Nice. Stop and saved.
Yes, sir. Stop and save.
Yes.
So the
All right.
exposure is okay now, sir, no?
Yes. It's coming good. It's coming proper exposure. Now,
Once the curtain and all comes, this will even get little softer now.
yes. Yeah. Yeah. We will see in final with the
With
furnitures.
the sun rays which are coming will become slightly softer now. Right.
Now try to bring your furniture. At least bring the plant which is
So
near
far.
to your sofa plants. Yes. Bring the furniture.
Okay.
Now we will see
Uh,
with the furniture.
Fine, sir. Plants as well as sofa. And we need this one, sir. TV in it. TV also.
Yeah. Bring it. TV unit, side table.
Okay.
We'll see
And the
what are
side
the area
table.
where we can add little bit more lights.
Fine, sir. This is enough, no, sir. Can I render now?
Yes.
So should I do a region render or full render?
A full render. It's okay. Take a full render. Now see our 50% lighting is done. We are happy
Okay.
with the light intensity.
Fine, sir.
Now our next target will be what are the area where I can add little more light to show the detailing of those product.
Fine, sir.
For example, plant as I told you, the texture
Okay,
of
the
the
plant has
plant.
not come. Anyway, I'll take one.
Yeah,
Should I stop it and take the plant?
stop and take the plants. Just see. Acha, you manually
Plant.
have hide there.
Oh,
Just
panel.
just go inside the plant that layer, no.
Okay.
Just go inside. The triangle is there, no. Just click on the triangle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to manually on that.
So these things.
Yes. It will come.
Oh, this is the other way of doing it, right?
Yes. Just manually on the eyes icon, it will come. Yes, done. That's done. Yes.
Now here one thing I forgot to do, sir. what I forgot was this one, the linking of this camera.
It's a lock of your camera. You
Yes, yes, yes. So for that, I have to select from here
yeah
camera,
yeah camera control A. Just
camera,
do yeah just do
control
control
A. Yes,
yeah
now it's
and now
highlighting,
lock. Yes,
and I have to lock for this.
lock.
That's done. Right.
Okay.
Then standard camera.
Hmm.
In render setting, we have to use V-Ray white balance. That will work in this standard camera.
In standard camera property, you mean to say?
No, in
Because
render
white
setting.
balance is in render setting, no?
Yeah, yeah, in this render
Yes, yes,
setting,
yes, 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 yes. We
it
have
will
to
work in
on.
this. Yes, yes,
Yes, we have to use whether you use camera, whatever camera you are going to use, standard or V-Ray.
fine, sir. Okay.
White balance should always be tick.
So now it is okay.
Yeah, just stop and save this. Alright, now see which are the areas where we can add little bit of more illumination, more lights. The first one, as I told, the plant, which is near to my
The
camera.
plant, yes, this one,
And
this area.
yeah, and remember we have discussed this behind the camera. We add one more lights, 3-point light system.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yeah, it is there. We could have this important also that we use some
Okay.
light just behind either left or right side of my camera.
Okay.
Try to use one sphere light. Okay,
Sphere light.
let me show you. Let me apply on my scene.
Fine, sir.
See,
Now
see,
this output is okay for you.
this output is okay, but I think exposure is. I think there is much on the sofa. Can you zoom on the sofa?
Yes, sir.
You
This
see?
exposure is too much now.
Yes. That need to be reduced.
Okay.
That need to be reduced. Okay.
Mean to say intensity of the sun
No.
or this one,
Intensity.
sir?
Intensity will be reduced. The exposure increase. Whatever it was there, just bring it back.
Okay. Okay.
Try to control with the light burn. Can you reduce the light burn? It is control like that or what? Oh, hold on for a second now. Hold on. Because when we come with the actual texture, the light will reduce itself because the dark
Along
texture.
with the yes, yes, the window glasses plus the
Yes,
curtains.
the light will
So,
automatically reduced.
so we'll see that time, sir.
Yes, just hold on this for a moment.
Okay.
On our final render, when we do with that complete texture, light will definitely reduce that time.
Fine.
Alright, so let me add one more light.
Okay.
Just see my computer screen. Okay?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing it.
See, so this is my camera. This is the third light. I started with the back, third, second, and then first. So
Okay.
I use my light. See, for my window plane light we will use, but at the end.
Okay.
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 Right now we need to add light either on my left side of my camera or my right side of my camera, wherever you need it. So I will use
Fine.
on my left side of my camera. Here I have much space over here. This is the space.
Okay.
Your light should not interact with any object.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, there's some black patches will be visible. Then interaction area will come out black.
Fine.
So just I will go layer is okay. I'm on light layer. I will take my sphere light, V-Ray sphere light. Some people use plain light also. It's personal preference. I am more comfortable with sphere light.
Fine.
So I will take a sphere light, and this is I have much bigger area. Otherwise, if I could use over here, I have less area. No, there's wall, there's plant.
Fine.
So it's
Sir.
okay. I can use over here as well.
Fine. Sir.
So I will just I'm on little bit of illumination from here to just show the detailings of my plants and all the furniture and all over here.
Fine. Sir.
So I will just make sure that this is inside my it is not outside my wall.
Okay.
It is inside the room only. Okay.
Okay.
And I will go to the property, change the name. This is sphere, SPHE sphere light. Easy to remember. And intensity is too high, not that much. I will take 5.
Okay.
Little bit of because see, this is the main source where the light hits. No, this is the area where light get hits. So this will be
Okay.
more illuminated, and gradually the lights will decrease. So
Fine,
I
sir.
cannot give a high value over here. This should be little less.
And that should be
Only,
invisible.
yes, invisible, of course. Invisible reflection, it will not be visible
Reflection.
reflection as well.
Okay.
Color, I will say little bit of bluish. I will give. Like you can use yellow, little bit yellowish as well, but it's just I'm using what I generally do for my scenes. No, I'm just doing
Fine.
that only. I add a sphere light, intensity, color I given invisible. That's all. That's all.
Fine.
Now again, I go to my camera and patch render. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, this was my output. So this was before, and let's say what I get after adding sphere light. Too
Too
much,
much, I
too
think.
much, too much. Maybe one. Again, I don't want this much only. 0.5. As I said, this should be darker only just to show details I need. Okay, I'm think I'm good with this, but let's see complete render. Then only I will decide. Okay, I'll reduce a bit more. Very little.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll stop and I'll make a comparison because it's difficult to know how much I have increased the lights. So what I will
Okay.
do, I will make a comparison. I will save this, make this A and this B. So you see,
Yes.
this was before it was complete dark,
Okay.
and now at least I have a light and my detailing will be visible.
Fine, sir.
You see over here also,
Yes.
this portion it was completely dark. Now it's proper.
Fine.
Okay, I'm happy. Good.
Fine.
See, uh, for me this is good. I no need of adding any plain light over here near my window. Most of
Okay.
people used to do. I also used to do sometimes if I'm not getting proper lights for my interior scene.
Yes.
What I do on my window reason I add a plain light. I will do that later on. First you
Fine.
try add a sphere light, then we will see what else we can do.
Fine, sir.
Okay, try.
Fine. So how to bring this, sir? Sphere light?
Yes, take a sphere.
No. Should I drag or should I click,
No,
double
no,
click on that?
no. Just click once
Okay.
and then go to viewport and click and drag. Click and drag. Yes, 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 yes. W, press W, move tool. Yeah, select that. It is selected.
No, it's not getting. No, it's in the
Acha,
camera.
camera.
Aha.
Acha, now adjust it.
Okay. Now the height I have to adjust.
Hmm.
Somewhere here I'll adjust.
Okay.
Now properties of this. Point 2 shall I take, sir? Point
Yes,
2.
yes, yes, yes. Right.
And the color you said is blue.
Yeah, little bit,
Little bit.
not much.
Then I have to make it invisible.
Yes.
Invisible and effect reflection off.
Reflection should be off.
I will take a
Yes, small patch render near the plant. Yes, correct. Nice. Good.
okay. I'll take full render now.
Take full. Yes. Yes, nice. Looking nice. Yes. Stop it. Stop. Just come compare. Just save. Make it A and B. First one is A. Second one is B. Yes. Just drag and see before and after.
Yes, sir.
Getting more details. Yes.
Yes,
More
getting more
brightness.
details now.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now see, this much light is enough for interior room. Whatever we did,
Fine.
we take the help of
Okay.
exposure and make our room look a proper daylight scene.
Okay.
If this light is not enough, in any case, or you are working
Okay.
on any other project, try to
Okay.
add a plain light near the window. I will do this. Acha,
Fine.
before going further, if any you have any doubt or any question, just let me know. Whatever we did, the steps so far.
Understood, sir. Because I'm doing it simultaneously with you, no. So
Yes, yes.
I'm following properly. No problem.
Okay, okay, no problem. So let's continue.
Okay.
I will show you a step that will be optional,
Okay.
not needed to be done every
Okay.
time.
Some cases, if it's required, we can use it.
Yes, what we will do, see, it's of course the window opening will let maximum amount of lights to enter our room, no?
Fine, sir.
So let's take this window, let's take this wall. I will isolate this and I
Okay.
will create a light over here. Let's say which view it is, right view, no? So I will
Okay.
go exactly my right view, right? And I will create a plain light. I will go to my layer. I think layer is already selected. I will take a plain light from the tool. Just click once and then
Okay.
click and drag.
Okay.
Exactly as much the size of my opening, little bit bigger.
Okay.
Go to perspective and it should be somewhat like this. Come out of isolation mode. It should be reverse. I will just mirror this and it is done. Okay.
Okay.
You can make it little bit closer because I have a curve over here, remember?
Yes, sir.
So I will not make it little far away from the wall, otherwise it will interact with my curve. I will
Okay.
bring it near to my window, this
Fine.
much.
Okay.
And that's all. Now go to property and rename this. This will be my plain light, plain window light, win light. Just
Okay.
so that I will remember what it is, plain window light. Intensity again, let's start with 5.
Okay.
Color blue, I will start with blue, little bit of bluish. And option invisible,
Invisible.
reflection off. That's
Okay.
all is needed. Let's see, let's come to camera view and see what
But we
result
have
will.
two windows, no, sir. Only one you have taken.
Yes, I will see what result I am getting from one window, because
Okay.
if I use both the lights, then I will don't know which light is contributing how much lights.
Okay.
I will
Fine.
use one. Sorry. I will see how much light I am getting from one window. Then I
Okay.
will just try with the second one by one.
Fine.
Uh, where is my light setting? Okay, I will take a patch near my window. Let's see, I will take this area, take a render. Okay, intensity I have to control maybe 1. You see the difference?
Yes, sir.
It
I
is
can see the
giving a
difference.
little bit improvement is there.
Yes.
Let's see, let's take a complete render. If this is improving my scene, I will keep it, otherwise I will off this.
Fine.
See, daylight you have to be like, exposure will be very much,
Okay.
the brightness will be very much. So I think I should keep this.
Okay.
I will see before and after.
Okay.
I will stop over here. I will save this. A, B. See, this is looking darker. I'm getting a proper exposure now.
Yes. Improved a lot.
So it is improving only, no?
Yes, yes.
You
We
see
can
over.
see more detail there
Yes,
also.
yes, yes, yes. You see over here. So far,
Yes.
this is
Yes.
getting darker. This is getting more brighter now. If I use, then it
Yes.
is getting proper lights over here. Here also,
Yes.
no?
Correct.
So it is improving only. So it's okay. I will keep this.
Okay.
Alright. Now, let's do the with the another window.
Copy the same thing.
Yes, yes, yes. Just copy over here. Instance. Okay, I will take instance. No problem. Because window size and all are same, so not a problem.
Okay.
Just make it 90 degree. I think this is my window. Go to perspectives to confirm. Okay, this is my window only.
Okay.
See, again a small area I will take, which is directly instead
Close to
of
the
my,
window.
yes, where the plane light will hit maximum.
Okay.
Okay, it's coming proper, no? The light is coming
Okay.
and this area is getting more illumination. You see,
Fine.
this sofa is getting more illumination. Alright, let's take complete render.
So this plane lights don't need of doing in a sky portal.
No, no, no. See,
Not
there are
required.
two way of doing it. If you use
Okay.
sky portal, plane light will get control from your sun directly.
Okay.
Then you cannot use cast shadow and all.
Fine.
It will be directly controlled by your sunlight. Alright?
Okay.
So I think little bit of I need to reduce light intensity.
Intensity.
Yes. Oh, I will hold on a second, because maximum cases I have seen after using your textures now, your scene will become little darker,
Yes. And the
because that,
curtains also. So the curtain will
yes,
add
yes,
to that.
curtain will
That window
take some
glass.
light.
Window glass will try to reduce the exposure.
Yes, and the darker color will try to absorb the light. It happens in
Okay.
real life also, and it happens on your 3D also.
Okay.
If your scene room has darker colors more, your
Okay.
lighter will be like absorb the light. It will, the brightness you have to increase more. And
Okay.
if your scene has a bright colors, white color or
Okay.
yellowish color, then
Okay.
little bit of brightness will be spread more brightness on your scene.
Fine, sir.
So as of now, although it's look like that this brightness little high for me, but I
Okay.
will keep it. I will rent all my texture and all, and then I will decide
Okay.
whether I should reduce or not.
Fine.
So I know what I have to do. I have to reduce just the plain light intensity, because all
Fine.
my other lights I was getting this result, no,
Yes. Yes.
which I was happy. And after using my plain light, I got this one.
Much better result.
Yes. So I know plain light is adding the this illumination overall,
Fine. Fine.
right? So this
Okay.
light is okay for me. I'm ready to go with the final texture.
Fine.
Now it's your turn. Try to get this kind of result,
Fine.
and then we will try with the texture, enabling the
Fine.
texture. Okay. Try yourself.
Sure.
Yes. You can add little bit of color, maybe blue or yellow, whatever you wish.
That's okay. I forgot. I'm doing it now.
Reduce. Yes. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Should I reduce more?
Yes, because little bit less.
It's taking time. No, it's okay.
Enough. Yes, done. Test render. Yes.
I've taken intensity 2.
Yes. Nice. Looking good.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Then I'll
Just stop the render
I'll
first.
I'll
Stop.
stop the render. Sure.
Yes.
Now I'll take the other window. Now.
Yes. For the other window. Yes.
Yes.
And one more thing, always remember, if suppose something wrong happen
Okay.
and you are not understanding why there's not proper light or why there's so much darkness or why there's so much brightness, just off
Okay.
all the lights.
Fine, sir.
Do not delete the light, just turn it off,
Okay.
and then gradually on one light take a test render, see which light is getting problem.
Fine, sir.
So that's why here also you see I did it one light one by one, no?
That's right.
So that we can see which light is contributing how much in our scene. It's coming out good.
Fine,
Yes.
sir.
So in any case, any file, if you are getting such problems that
Okay.
lighting is not coming proper, whether the brightness is too much or darkness is too much, turn off
Okay.
all the lights and on one by one and take a test render.
Fine, sir. Sure.
That is the right way of solving such problems.
Okay.
Overall, your lighting is coming proper. I can say your objects are looking 3D, proper
Yes.
contrast
Okay.
is there, light and shadow.
Okay.
Yeah, and even I can see the details. If there is texture on your plants and sofas, the details will be visible.
Fine, sir.
Right? So just stop and save this image. Yes. So this much only lighting. Acha, हाँ, yes. We did for lighting is still we did for the natural lighting. No, this is the light which is coming from outside to inside.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we need interior lighting. The hanging lights over there,
This hanging lights, then the
cove
spotlight,
light and ice
pole
light.
light.
Yes. I just
Okay.
forgot it. We have to do with that also.